Hi friends, this video shows how to use external flashlight with mirrorless camera. In this video, I will be using this Canon R50 mirrorless camera. So this is the location where we need to connect external flashlight. Let me remove this cap. See, this is a port. So this is a new type port. The port name is multifunction port. So here we cannot directly connect old accessories. We need an adapter to connect old accessories on this multifunction shoe port. In this video, I will be using this Godox TTL TT350C flashlight. So let me check the ports of this flashlight. Let me go to the bottom. So here we can see the pins. It has 5 odd shoe pins. So as I said, we cannot directly connect this flashlight on this Canon R50 mirrorless camera because R50 mirrorless camera has different port. So we need an adapter. See, this is the adapter which we need. Multifunction shoe adapter ADE1. So we need to purchase this adapter, then we need to connect this adapter on top of the R50 mirrorless camera. Then on top of this adapter we can connect flashlight. See, here on top of this adapter we can see 5 odd shoe pins. So we can easily connect that flashlight on this adapter. So this way, using this multifunction shoe adapter ADE1, we can use flashlight with Canon R50 mirrorless camera. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.